Children, today I am going to explain you the gas equation as I told in my virtual class. So you can see the gas equation, it is a mathematical relation between the pressure, volume and temperature of the gas. What is the gas equation? If I ask what is the gas equation, so it is a mathematical relation between pressure, volume and temperature of the gas. And this relationship is derived on the basis of Boyle's and Charles' law. As you can see in the screen, according to Boyle's law, V is indirectly proportional to P or inversely proportional to P. So you can see that V is inversely proportional to P at constant temperature. And according to Charles' law, V is directly proportional to absolute temperature at constant pressure. And when you will combine these both the reaction, okay, when you combine both the reaction, what you will get, because V is inversely proportional to P and V is directly proportional to T, so when you will combine both the reaction, it will be get V is directly proportional to T and indirectly proportional to P. Okay, so in that way you can write, or you can write like that V is equal to, when you will remove the sign of this proportionality constant, proportionality sign, when you will remove, the proportionality constant will come. So V is equal to K T by P, or you can write PV upon T is equal to K. Hope you understand how this equation come. When you will combine both the reaction, both the equation coming from Boyle's law and the Charles law, you will get this equation. Is it? So there, because in Boyle's and Charles law, only volume is common in both the equation. In both the law, volume is common. So we have taken with respect to volume. Okay, so according to Boyle's law, V is indirectly proportional to P, and according to Charles law, V is directly proportional to T. So when you will take, it will come PV upon T is equal to K. Thus, if the volume of the fixed mass of the gas changes from V1 to V2, P1 to P2 and T1 to T2, it will come like P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. This is about your gas equation. Hope you understand. The above mathematical relation, or the relation which I discussed, is called gas equation. Now after that, I want to show you some numerical related to that. Little bit zoom, okay, your screen, and you will get example number 1. Okay, here you can check like a certain mass of the gas is taken. Okay, a certain mass of the gas A is taken, whose volume is 25 liter at 2 atm pressure and 200 Kelvin temperature. Calculate the volume of the gas when the temperature is increased to 300 K and 1 atm pressure. So you know here P1 is 2 atm, P2 is 1 atm. V1 is 25 liter, V2 you have to find out. T1 is 200 K and T2 is 300 K. Put all the value in the relation in the equation. P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. So you will get the answer, that is 75 liter. Now second numerical you can check here. In the second numerical, nitrogen gas of volume 84 ml is taken as at the temperature 240 K and under the pressure of 2 atm. Calculate the temperature in degree centigrade at which the volume of the gas becomes 28 ml under 0.5 atm pressure. Okay, so P1 is 2 atm, V1 is 84 ml and T1 is 240 K. Okay, but T2 you have to find out in centigrade. So whatever you will calculate, you have to minus 273 over there from the original value. P2 is 0.5 atm, V2 is 28 ml. According to equation, put the value in the equation. P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. When you will put the value, T2 will be 20 K. Now 20 K is coming in the, it is there in the Kelvin. So if you find out in the centigrade, so what you have to do? You have to do minus 273 over here. So you have to subtract 273 from the 20. So you will get minus 253 degree centigrade. Got it? Okay. Now after that, beta, these are some important formula which I have told. So please write these formulas in your notebook. So important formula. One day one child has asked about the mole concept. The mole concept I will speak. Let me complete the chapter and then I will speak mole concept. And one child also asking about hydrogen spectrum one single. So that I will give you, okay, by the WhatsApp group. Okay, I will send that. And now the formula which are very important. Number of moles of any gas. How you will find out number of moles? The total weight of the gas upon gram molecular weight of the gas. Okay, now number of moles of any gas, total volume of the gas at STP means standard temperature and pressure upon 22.4 liter. Now PV is equal to constant, that is Boyle's law. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 is equal to constant when we will take, when the pressure, it increase from P1 to P2, P1 to P2, V1 to V2, then you can use this formula. After that, V upon T is equal to constant, that is Charles law. When volume increase from V1 to V2, T1 to T2, it will be V1 upon T1 is equal to V2 upon T2. Now after that, 1 Kelvin is equal to temperature in degree centigrade plus 273. And the last ideal gas equation, that is P1 V1 upon T1 is equal to P2 V2 upon T2. Okay. Now some tips I want to tell you. Tips to solve numerical. Temperature should always be taken in the Kelvin. That means 273 plus temperature given in degree centigrade. If it is given in degree centigrade, then only you have to add 273 to convert it in Kelvin. STP means 1 atm pressure and 273 Kelvin temperature. That is standard temperature and pressure. Okay. And 1 atm is equal to 76 centimeter Hg and 760 millimeter Hg. Now make sure that all unit of pressure are same within the problem. When you are going to solve pressure, all the unit which has given, because P1 P2, so pressure unit should be same. It should not that P1 you are taking in the atm and P2 you are taking in the centimeter Hg or the millimeter Hg. So it should be same. Okay, and check the units properly. And then the formula, whenever you are going to write, you have to write formula first of all. Okay, so unit of P1 and P2 should be same and unit of V1 and V2 should also be same. So in that way you can do. So hope you understand and do numerical. And yes, please complete the assignment, because today I have asked the question, nobody was there to speak me when I told, then you are able to write. Yeah, I appreciate that you are able to, at that time you were be there and you completed, but when I asked at that time, your answer was not in the positive mode that you have completed. Kindly complete your all assignment which I have given before. Okay, because with the help of this assignment only you can able to attend your test properly. Okay, so now time is there, you have 15 days in your hands. Okay, so please complete all the assignments on time. Ask to me in the virtual classes or through my WhatsApp group. I'll explain you. Okay, take care. Bye bye.